Hi friends, how are you? I hope you very well. Today our topic is how to shape eyebrows using generative fill in Adobe Photoshop beta. So let's get started. Open Photoshop beta app and I have a girl eyebrows image. So first of all, you should select lasso tool and I will make a selection with the lasso tool and make into a shape like this. After that, I will select per area like be carefully like this and just click on generative fill and generate and wait its processing. So here the three variations you can see, first one, second one, but I am not satisfied. So I will generate again, click on generate and wait. So here the so this is a perfect. So I think I further select this area to give a good shape into the eyebrows. So that's why I will select this area like this and click on generative fill and just on generate and wait processing. It's depend on your internet speed, that's why. So here the result, first one, second, and I think first one is good. So you can see, I hope you love this video, and if you new on my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. Take yourself, take your parents, take your life. Thank you so much. Bye.